This is tutorial number 107, and it's an intro to assemblies within Catia V5. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to give you a brief intro to the assemblies. To start off, to open a new assembly, what you have to do is click File, click New, and you have to select Product. Click OK. So as we know, products are the assemblies within Catia. Now we're going to go back to the guitar, and as you can see in the guitar, you have the assembly, and then underneath it you have each of the individual components. So far in Catia, what we've done is we've gone over sketching, first setting it up, sketching, and then part creation. So assemblies is the next step after we've configured our Catia, learned how to create the sketches and manipulate them how we want, how to create the parts and manipulate them how we want. Now we have to bring everything together to create an assembly. So this is what we're going to be doing in our next set of tutorials. We're going to be going over how to create assemblies, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating these assemblies. So we're going to be creating this guitar. We're going to assemble within Catia. And that concludes our tutorial on the intro to assemblies within Catia V5.